Guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a pop-up in your WordPress website using poptin. So to do that, this pop-up maker is very good. You can also use it to create landing pages and also generate more leads so that you can increase your sales. So to do that, you just go to your WordPress dashboard and you go to add new plugins. So just watch this video to the end. I will show you step by step how to set up a pop-up or a lead generation section in your website. So you just go to your log into your WordPress dashboard and go to add new plugins. So add new plugins and you type in poptin. So you type in the search box poptin. I'll also leave a link down below so that you can just click on the link and you'll be able to install in the poptin form. So this is the poptin this thing plugin. So I've already installed it. So I'll just after you have installed and activated it, you go down here. It will be under your WordPress dashboard at the left hand side corner. So you click on the poptin. So I'll show you how to create a pop-up with poptin using your. So after you have installed and activated it, just go to dashboard and the thing they have made it, you can also deactivate any pop-in on your WordPress website. So you just go to dashboard, let it load. My internet is a bit low. So this pop-up is very nice and it's free to use. So and they also have everything that you need in order to create a good pop-up using poptin form. As you can see, I already have pop-ups running on my WordPress website. So I have 24 visitors with zero conversion rates. Okay, so to do that, to create pop-ups, you just click on this place, and they also have forms, web forms to grow your email list, and they also have autoresponders. So if you want, you can click in the autoresponders to do. Thank you for watching.